Good afternoon. Professor Jigar Mohammed from University of Jammu, Professor Balram Pani, Dean of Colleges, Professor Shri Prakash, Director, South Campus, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar of the University, Professor Ratnavali, Dean Academic Affairs, other respected deans, professors, officers and officials of University of Delhi. On behalf of University of Delhi, I welcome Professor Jigar Mohammed for delivering a lecture on India, the Mother of Democracy. Professor, Delhi University has completed 100 years. We have also seen many weathers of democracy, experienced different ways and means for the establishment of democracy. But as we all know, although Professor Professor S.P. Singh is the professor of political science, he has the ability, experience and knowledge to talk about ancient times. I am not that good in that. But I do understand, as a citizen of this great nation, India is the largest democracy. India has the largest democracy and deep-rooted democracy. That is the achievement. When discussion was held in the British Parliament about the India Independence Bill in 1947, there was chaos and uproar in the House. Leader of opposition of that time, Winston Churchill, who was the former Prime Minister of UK, he said, Mr. Churchill, you are committing a historical mistake. Mr. Attlee, you are committing a historical mistake. These Indians do not understand even D of democracy. And you want to give them democracy, you want them to practice democracy, there will be chaos and bloodshed in India, and who will be responsible? You will be responsible. But now after 75 years of independence, we can confidently say that Mr. Churchill, you were 100% wrong. India has the largest democracy and deep-rooted democracy. Now, Government of India has taken this step also, try to identify the roots of democracy in ancient times. And Professor Singh has, give us some clues about that. India was the mother of democracy. Like there are two forms of democracy. One is presidential form, practiced by US and other countries, and parliamentary form of democracy. In India, we practice parliamentary form of democracy. But there could be another form of democracy also. If we see things only in these two aspects only, either presidential or parliamentary, then we will be confused and may not be lead to appropriate and right type of conclusions here. Because right now our minds are conditioned. When we say democracy, either it should be presidential or it should be parliamentary form. But there are options. There could be some options that there will be other form of democracies also. What are those other forms? Today we have an expert, Professor Jigar Mohammed. He will be able to share his views on the subject, and other form of democracies also. On behalf of University of Delhi, Professor Jigar Mohammed, I welcome Professor Jigar Mohammed and request him to deliver his views on the subject. Thank you.